Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking down the essentials. Check the tide and weather so the crossing is safe, and park at North Harbor. There's a small day fee. Once done, assemble gear, waterproof jacket, headlamp, boots, and program the lighthouse coordinates into your GPS or compass. Make sure to buy a ferry ticket if the schedule requires it, otherwise head to the marked trail immediately. This gets you moving while minimizing risk and keeps the crossing timed correctly for low tide. You now commit to the tricky middle section. Follow the painted markers and stone cairns that lead across the inlet and onto the causeway. Move steadily. When you reach the sandbar, check depth and current, only cross during the low tide window you checked earlier. Make sure to verify your GPS waypoint and use your altimeter or visible landmarks to confirm progress because phone signal can drop. Slow your pace on slippery rocks and keep a steady rhythm so you don't burn energy before the final approach. You're at the lighthouse. Approach calmly and respect any fencing or posted private property notices. Use designated steps and platforms for the best views. Don't attempt roof access. Once you've taken photos and checked any maintenance information on the plaque, prepare for your return across the inlet with fresh energy and the same tide awareness. If fog rolls in or the tide begins to cover the crossing, pause ashore and call the harbor master or use your GPS and local emergency number. Waiting is safer than forced crossings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.